Hey guys, I've got the Y rear mount. It's got the stepper motor for the Y, and I'm using 3/4 inch for the binder clips. I used 1/2 inch on the front, and I wasn't entirely happy, and I might actually go back and change those to 3/4. Just makes it easier to work with. Although you only put them in once, and then you theoretically never touch them again. This probably isn't what the parts list calls for, but I had them on hand and they work. Okay, so let's put the binder clips on. So there's a ton of these binder clips in this design, so get used to putting them on. Take a 3/4 inch screw, put in. Okay, find a nut and put on the back. Hold it on with your finger, and then screw it in. Now there's also one here, so we'll do the same thing. So while you only use these during the initial construction, I still oriented them to make them easier to get to. Now we used Amazon Basic filament for this yellow, and I can't say that I recommend Amazon Basics after using this. We had a lot of problems printing these, and once we switched to Monoprice filament, our problems went away. Now, I'm sure other filaments are good. We just switched to Monoprice. So, once again, hold the nut on with your fingertip. Screw in the 3/4 inch screw. There we go. 3/4 inch screw. Nut on the bottom. Tighten that up. Pretty painless. There's 20 of the separate binder clips plus all of these built-in binder clips, so a lot of those to do. So this is the back Y mount, and it has the motor mount that goes like this. So the best way to do that is to take the nut, put here, put the motor mount. This one 3 hands would be better than 2, but you got to manage. Okay, so the next nut, take the next screw, put it through. Now I'm not going to tighten these all the way. There might need to be some adjustment when we do the final assembly. And there is the completed back Y mount. It's that easy. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.